Good morning. Today I am here to give you a basic insight about the clause, and the name of the clause is representation and warranties in a contract. So be with me and I'm going to give you a basic insight about. So first of all, I'll take one example to explain you what are these representations and warranties. So I take here the website. There's an e-commerce portal which is well known to all of you. So starting from, I search for any mobile phone. Right now offers are also going on. So here once I search, there's the Apple iPhone where it is representing. So these details which are present: 128 GB ROM, 15.49 centimeter, 12 megapixel camera, and this all these things are called as in representations. So they are representing the specification about the product. Secondly, in the similar way, when agreement takes place between the two parties in which transactions they are, the features which were involved in those transactions, that are called representation. For what for what purpose this particular agreement is meant or made. Now what about the, so representations are related to currently what is present within the product and what is present within the agreement or all transactions which takes place. If you're buying a property, there's a prior to that, agreement to sale is there. Before formation of sale deed, agreement to sale, which they write down that after 15 days there's a sale deed formation takes place, and this particular property consists of this much number of room, and the valuation of current valuation is this much, and it is north face, south face. So basic information about the property is there, and among those parties, the transaction which takes place, name of the parties between whom it takes place, so how transaction will be successful in future, it was written in that. So that is the present conditions which were present. Future condition is what? In future, when during once the sale deed is registered, then there's no liability of the prior or previous owner to all the liabilities transferred to the current owner. So that is the warranty. If any further warranty is there within that house, there's a door is there, and if any AC fitting is there, if infrastructure is there, then warranty should be separately provided by those companies, not for the by the room owner. So that is a separate thing. Now we come to the warranty is future based. Here you are looking for Apple iPhone. You know about that e-commerce portal provides you a basic formality, that not formality, basic security to you. If product is not proper within 7 days, there should be replacement guarantees provided, and that should be provided by e-commerce portal. That is future based and future oriented, because we don't know whether the transit of the product, whether that product is proper or improper. Okay, then secondly, the most important thing is there, once the product is transit 7 days already completed, then after that, responsibility is whom? The responsibility is of the manufacturer or distributor, who is the brand in this case. So now after this, I want to give you that basic insight about what are these representations and warranties. Okay, so what representation actually involved or included in it? So first of all, that representation specify what underlying statement of facts, those facts which were present during the transaction of the agreement, such as ownership and title, who is the real owner right now, and who is having power of attorney also, it may be present in that. Warranty is something which is related to future. If I am going to buy purchase any manufacturing industry, then what is there? While purchasing that, it was written that this particular manufacturing industry produce X quality of cloth, Y quality of cloth. That is future oriented. Until and unless I shouldn't check that whether it is capable to produce that, means it is an assertion related to materials or qualities. Future functioning of agreement, we are set up these machine, and they produce this quality of the cloth. So that is on the basis of future. The representation and warranties, they basically give you information about standard of product and services. So these are what they give you information, what we are providing, what are the standard of our services, and what you can opt during all this transaction. Representation and warranties may be started from the date of agreement, or they may started after the completion of the agreement also. So type of assertion which were present, the standard liability involved. Okay, okay, if you consider that they said that this particular product, this particular printer print up to 3000 copies, or then but what happened, it is not able to reproduce or print 1000 copies in it, so this is a false representation, so this is a breach of agreement. So warranties and representation, basic difference is there. Representation is current oriented, present oriented, and the warranty is future oriented, which may happens or occurs in future. If you have taken any insurance from the company, any insurance the company, then what representation is, what from your side medical had been done, each and everything medical or whatever is required from their side, basic things, your signatures and affidavits, so that is the representation you are providing to them. Warranty, what they are providing, that your medical is proper, there's not a single disease is present, or any disease which according to insurance doesn't comes under the purview of that insurance. Then in future, if any such disease occurs or happens, then treatment should be provided by them, the insurance company. So that is a warranty that should be given by the insurance company. So this is all about representation and warranties.